Yo, 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 what is up, guys? Records give me another reaction. Yeah. And today, guys, we're here with Abra Cadabra Daily Duppy. My G, look up yourself in the Abra. You know the thing going on, my G. You see me? Yeah, I'm a week late reacting to this one, but you never know. Better late than never, you understand? So, Abra, we're gonna jump in the one here and get it. Let's go, my G. No way. Oh way, no way. Put up.
So you know, AB in the building, 7 shit, all way or no way. Get right, get left, or get stretched. Through the drillers 10 times and no. And now it goes already. F's up or get a chest up, wear your vest, cuz. Oh. So, turning over a new leaf. I've been getting itchy car, I ain't been in these streets. I've been rapping for my family, say my people gotta eat, but lately.
Bumbleclad, the youth are different. The man different, dog. Brother, the rhythm alone, I kick out teeth, dog. Again.
Way or no way, get right, get left, or get stretched. Through the drillers 10 times and no. And now it goes already. F's up or get a chest up, wear your vest, cuz. Oh. So, turning over a new leaf. I've been getting itchy car, I ain't been in these streets. I've been rapping for my family, say my people gotta eat, but lately all I see is pussies talking shit on Instagram and sending out tweets. Some nerds. If I weren't the way out, I'd grab my strap and get to scheming. For my nigga Kusa, how you feeling? Come and stop somebody's breathing.
I'm telling you something about that youth here. And it's not very, it's this youth, Abra, is one of them man that when them rap, I believe every friggin' word of the man said, dog. Abra have this talent to it. It's so convincing. Like every time the man rap, anything him rap about, me believe that yeah, I hate that. I hate. Me rate Abra. Lately,
all I see is pussies talking shit on Instagram and sending out tweets. Some nerds. If I want the way out, I grab my strap and get to scheming. For my nigga Kusa, how you feeling? Come and stop somebody's breathing. Real block demons pull up on your block. The ops know how we forward in the evening, no cap. In my rap, when I'm spitting is facts. Don't even smoke dead ops no more, I'm bigger than that.
No cap, the man just tell them no fucking cap. The man saying they even smoke dead ups no more, and bigger than that, brother. I don't have time for that. Bigger than my pass the stage already. Bumbleclad. Why me take so long for react to this? Why me take so long? And why nobody on the channel never say yo react to Abra Cadabra? Sometimes me need a little push for say yo do it, dog. I mean me find the time for do it. Me take too long for react to this, bro. This is what I've been missing. And not one of you could go in the comment section and say react to Abra Cadabra and just drop a daily Duppy. You know wicked, man. You know wicked. Yeah?
Some nerds. If I weren't the way out, I'd grab my strap and get to scheming. For my nigga Kusa, how you feeling? Come and stop somebody's breathing. Real block demons pull up on your block. The ops know how we forward in the evening, no cap. In my rap, when I'm spitting is facts. Don't even smoke dead ops no more, I'm bigger than that. I'm getting older, plus I realize I'm realer than that. So put some gunshots in their brethren and go laugh with the gang. That's if they push me. I'm chilling, I'm a rapper now. Big cash stacker now. Brothers that will kill for me get slapped if you're acting wild. Cash money really turned me to a boss. I love the nigga that I am now. I was broke on my block. They couldn't play with my name, they know. I've been in these streets knee deep. Couple niggas tuck their tails when the beef got peace. Not me, I grabbed my shank or the heat. I put my heart on my sleeve, I went to war for my G. Yeah.
Boss, this is a different side of Abra. I love that side of that too. I love that side of the boss will show you maturity. So the boss will show you, say, listen, certain things I made up on a couple years back. Right now, I'm rich, I'm rapper now. I'm not broke anymore. So I don't have time for the broke life and the broke argument. You see me? Yeah. I don't have time for that. You see me? I'm a big man now. So approach with bumbleclad caution. Tell the boss, I say, yo, make up yourself, bro.
How you a boss when you don't bring your brothers? Nothing but Joe sentences and caskets. Nothing but fuck. Bare elbow when cartridge. For my people, them I ride and bark. Yeah, I'm on target and I know this car made it that. I ain't trying to change it, fam. What? Put one in the head and come blaze it, fam. Them
this I got add this to my playlist. I have to add this to my playlist, dog. No joke.
But fuck, better but when cartridge. For my people that my rise and bark. Yeah, I'm on target and I know this car made it that. I ain't trying to change it, fam. Put one in the head and come blaze it, fam. Them niggas know we blazing back. Niggas getting shot at and they blaming, man. Pretend on the net all you want, but niggas know we ain't playing at. Steppers them step out, big whack step out. 2 liter dingers getting rev out. Better run when it comes to a stop. Ambulance will come for time and we spread out. I seen it all and done it all. No rap cap, I'm a bad man. Only thing I ain't done in these streets is Pac-Man. Feel like I was supposed to, I've really come close to. Facts, minimum 3 when I shank, man.
The man this is what I said earlier on in the video. Anything where the man sing, the man have the time for the fuckery. If, like, this youth here is my top 3 rapper in the UK when I like to meet in person. My top 3. He's in my top 3 after rappers when I like to meet. You see me? In the UK and spend like a couple hours with them and chill and see him behind the scene of this rapping thing, brother. Like the real life shit, brother. Because the reason being, we're quite similar, dog. We're similar, brother. You see me? Because when the man sing about, me can relate. No joke. Me can relate. Abra, me can relate, my fam. Me can relate, bro, God. No joke. You see me? Yeah, dog. He deep.
And done it all. No rap cap, I'm a bad man. Only thing I ain't done in these streets is Pac-Man. Feel like I was supposed to, I've really come close to. Facts, minimum 3 when I shank, man. I'm a gangster, not a driller forever. Free my nigga Cash, we was drilling together. We was bad way before we got our bread up. I got faith that our days will get better. They say they love me. They say they love me, but I don't know. Times that they left me all alone, had to pick up myself and just keep going. Please don't waste my time. No. Tell me you need me, yes or no.
Boss, I sing.
In this world, we was born alone. I even got put my trust up in this smoke.
I love this. I love this. Bad man.
Sure. You know, AB in the building, 7 shit. Oh, well, no way. Get right, get left, and get stretched. Be the chillers 10 times, you know. F's up or get a chest up. Wear your vest, cuz. Yeah. If I bang this weapon cam, then I might not make it back to Sade. When I'm on this glide, everything's on break on a mission to wake up a man's estate.
Yo! Mama! Yo! The man style is so distinctive, brother. Like, he is one of those rappers where, like, no matter when in the world you hear that, you know, say, oh, that's Abra, you know. Abra have this style where him sing and him, like, him pass, like him sing. It's hard to explain. Him just tweet a while ago, and me pull it up for make you understand what I say. Him say it, and then him take a breath, like an unexpected breath, and then him say something again, like, yo, that's shit. So, like, him have a lot, brother. Like, that's so, like, that's bad.
Your vest, cuz. Yeah. If I bang this weapon cam, then I might not make it back to Sade. When I'm on this glide, everything's on break on a mission to wake up a man's estate.
If I understand everything's on break. I love that, dog. Abra got me gas right now, dog. Abra got me gas, fam. Fully gas, brother. No joke, bro. Yo, mama glad. Abra, make up yourself.
I might not make it back to Sade. When I'm on this glide, everything's on break on a mission to wake up a man's estate. Generally I'm violent, send corny erratic. Ask girls when I see my target. I don't itch, I just grass it. Are you really that you claim in the lyrics that you spit? I don't think so. Machine man strangle it, tryna hit him like bro did chest shot bingo, baby.
Sorry guys, I have to keep pulling it up, you know. I'm sorry. At least me not pause every 10 seconds, but me pull up every 10 seconds.
I don't itch, I just grass it. Are you really that you claim in the lyrics?
Are you really that, see in the industry again, are you really that you? Yeah, we like that, but him style is different, brother.
I see my target, I don't itch, I just grass it. Are you really that you claim in the lyrics that you spit? I don't think so. Machine man strangle it, tryna hit him like bro did chest shot bingo, baby. Says she wanna hold this wet, but will she tell her up? I don't think so. Is he a 10 plus 12 or 3 times 3? Line him and let 6 go. On the streets, man get respect, nice man inject, don't get a shit.
That governor for
In the
now.
lyrics they spit, I don't think so. No. Machine man strangle it, tryna hit him like bro did chest shot bingo. Baby says she wanna hold this wet, but will she tell her up? I don't think so. Is he a 10 plus 12 or 3 times 3? Line him and let 6 go. Yeah. On the streets, man get respect, nice man inject, don't get a shit quiff. Gunshot settings when I flex my index, drilling keep silent, don't drill to impress. He keeps chatting about spin thing, but all night he ain't made no barrel spin. Yeah, we crashed his prison and his shit got tech when we robbed that brick and we didn't leave shit left.
This is some true story. Is I mean not who them rob. You know who them rob? Them rob somebody and take everything. You talk about spin, and I make the bar spin. You pussy, you PUSSY. A lot of S's on the end of it.
Settings when I flex my index, drilling keep silent, don't drill to impress. He keeps chatting about spin thing, but all night he ain't made no barrel spin. Yeah, we crashed his prison and his shit got tech when we robbed that brick and we didn't leave shit left. Rondos, man made rondos and still get drops and drew that pronto. I had no shank, so I hit him with a combo. Left that wounded, moving slow-mo.
Man said never have no shanks, I hit him with a combo. Whoop. Left that shit wounded.
Get drops and drew that pronto. I had no shank, so I hit him with a combo. Left that wounded, moving slow-mo. Better have your whack tucked in, fully locked and loaded. Tryna slide there is a no-no. Last time you all feel the bind. We put holes in a brick like polo. Sure. Watch your head back, watch your neck back, watch your chest and get a vest and go protect that. If I aim there, this Beretta gon' burn you down, you won't get up. I slept so much time that the G's won't let man. Most of my G's went Joey had a shortage of steppers. You know AB stepped up. Hospital thing with a flick on my wrist if I touch my finger. Know yourself, the gal want fuck, control your girl. No. I made too many men bleed in the streets, hoping I die, I don't go to hell.
Yo, this is something on my mind. I'm gonna make it, I'm gonna say it. People can be vexed if they want, I not care. OFB, the whole of the man them strong. The whole of the man them we do this bad. The whole of the man them when at the OFB we do this sick. But for me, this is my rapper in OFB. He is my rapper in OFB, bro. No joke. I'm my favorite one in OFB. Yo, the man just different, bro. Like the man style is different, bro. Like different. Big up the whole OFB still, you know. No disrespect, you know. All I want to carry the heat in the bread. Anytime I want to jump on a track, a problem, you know. But, see my rapper, yeah, dog. No joke.
If I hit him with 4 from this hunting, check his life points, that's a O for health. Creeping on up block, over stealth. Them men only get triggered on the net. Me, I used to get triggered and go for a spin. Turn that whip, reverse and skid. I swear that's him. Me, I might hop out the ride and beat it, or I might slap from the window, standard thing. Hopped out all black on the phantom thing. Sure. Lean with it and bang that strips. I ain't never been an actor. No. I'm logged in. Past the streets by my past, that's my 2-step flat talk. Yeah. You can say what you want by the kid, but the ops no buck AB, you get matched up. I see enough funny youths on the fence, so I act up. No. You don't wanna see 2 full clips in a ride driving like it's NASCAR. Headshot, send him to the sky like NASA. Yeah. Let me see it up, trigger in my hand, bullet in.
Bomba
Past the streets by my past.
Whoa! Abby, me gas, brother. Me gas, fully gas. Yo, me fully gas, dog. I'll be taking mute, brother. Yo, I'll mute the blood clot. Me fully gas, bro.
You can say what you want by the kid, but the ops no buck AB, you get matched up. I see enough funny youths on the fence, so I act up. No. You don't wanna see 2 full clips in a ride driving like it's NASCAR. Headshot, send him to the sky like NASA. Yeah. Let me see it up, trigger in my hand, bullet him, man, me pulling it. Hangs with the ops too much, bullet him. Last time he lied him, but he's really pushing it. Little bro swings in the figure of 8. Me, I have full stops when I start shoving him. We don't think he's dead till he starts looking it. You can have this, call me, got bags full of it. Like that, ITC. Slamming on ITV. Sure. Lost up that.
Man said, you can have this can, we have it in a bag full.
Yeah. Hey, me, I have full stops when I start shoving him. We don't think he's dead till he starts looking it. You can have this, call me, got bags full of it. Like that, ITC.
Intensive care.
Slamming on ITV.
ITV. Oh yeah, ITV. Yeah.
Lost up that I crash when hospital. I even shook when them guys see me. Free cash, free jug, yeah, that's my GG's. Now the man, them expensive like Fiji. Come from big huntings and laser beam. I'll say one word and I make a weed. No. Yeah, I rap by the drills that I done when I swung that shank or I clap that mash. Bear men tell you about the good times that they had, but they won't tell you when them good times went bad. No cap, I can tell you about times that I lacked. Big 40 car cool getting crashed on my back, but I still didn't fall. Next day I was back on the block with gang trying to step and crash. And I got this scar on my neck car when it's crunch time. I never fold. No. Real life, I hold my own. You know. Little bro said, bro, let me hold this swap. I said, no, I hold my own. No. Do it yourself mentality. Could be a tragedy, could be a casualty. Stay in your crib when I rise this pole. Pressure, men's giving the ups, them pressure. 3 booters in 2 days, that's pressure. Dishing out cool like the kindness gesture. Look, man, go thank your God you ain't dead, cuz. Man know the farm block pepper, still tryna red man's top like ketchup. Beat gunshot, made the trident fed up. Any up block man step get queffer. You know the fucking vibe already. Oh, way.
Oh, no way.
F's up. I get a brass club, chest up. OFB, BWF, FMD, no. Star gang. Sure. Rappers and not enough slappers, he's a little liar. Pants on fire, like he never got shot out as a tire. Chest shot, make it leak like juice on an off block when they get chopped like fruit. Aim for your head, try split into two, then I'm doing date night just near my boot.
I should have known. I should have known that was founded. I should have known. Yo, alright, yo, that you tell brother. I know. Yo, him can't do nothing wrong for me. Him cannot say or do anything wrong for me, dog. Abra cannot say or do. The only thing me say, Abra, me need more from you, dog. Me need more, like, every time I drop something, it's fire, but me need to say more, brother. Me need some more tracks, brother. Me need more tracks, brother. Me need more things to react to, bro. Yo, you're fucking fire, dog. Don't joke. And me not say we need more as in you being lazy, brother, because obviously you work at your own pace. But we need more because we can't get enough, brother. We can't get enough, dog. This was like nearly a 7 minutes long daily Duppy, and more, brother. I want a 20 minutes daily Duppy from you, brother. That, like, sorry, bro. I'm sorry, bro. It's like that is it. That is it. OSB, big up yourself, man. Abra, big up on yourself, man. Yo, Abra different, bro. Abra different. Big up on yourself, people. I'm outside still. I'm gone, man. I'm gone. I'm gone. I'm gone. I'm gone.